Beginning this tutorial with one of the Banish products. This is a pore shrinker toner, so I just thought I'd give it a try. It smells beautiful. It has a watermelon flavour. Now I have this linked in my Shop My Links, so if you'd like to try it, then that is where it is. So just using one of the nice little cleanser pads and really giving my skin a great cleanse and refresh. It's pretty sticky and hot here at the moment. The humidity is ridiculous. Excuse my towel as well. This is also Banish serum. It's a Ceramide and Retinol serum, and I use this just every now and again. I've got quite a few different sort of serums that I sort of alternate between them. I don't sort of stick to the same one. I like to sort of use a serum a couple of times a week, so I thought this would be just a really nice way to prep my skin. We are off on another mini break today for my stepfather-in-law's 80th, so we are heading for a whirlwind away. So I thought I'd better do my makeup and add heaps of hydration. That way on the plane it won't get too dry. This is one of the go-to skins, and it's become, or go-to products, it's become my go-to product. It's called the Nifty 50. It's an SPF 50, it's a hydrating sunscreen, and it's fantastic. I just love it. So even though I am going away on a plane, I do like to place a layer of sunscreen under my makeup. I think I went in a little bit quick placing it on before that serum had actually gone into my skin. So just be aware, you should really wait a little bit longer in between each layer. But we are getting on a plane today, so I am a little bit of a hurry. This is the Lanolips 101. This is a really great hydrating lip balm. I just thought I'd place that on as well. I'm using the Poni Cosmetics Brow pencil. I love the fact it has a spoolie at one end and then the pencil at the other. I always go in and do the tail of my brows first because I feel that is where most of my brow sort of disappears. So just going in and really doing brush-like strokes and just getting that tail end of my brow nice and perfect, and then using the spoolie again and just running it through. Now letting everything settle in, having my cover, and I'm going to start off. This is the Youngblood Mineral Cosmetics. This is the liquid foundation in the golden tan. So I'm just using my McoBeauty foundation brush. This one is the 106. I love this brush. It is perfect for blending in your foundation. Doesn't have any streaks. It just gives you that nice, really blended, flawless finish. This foundation is lightweight and it's very hydrating on my skin, which is why it is one of my favorites. I have a few favorites, and this is definitely one of them. I may even link these as well. I just have to work out how to do that in my new shop. This is the Castellone. This is a lip and cheek tint by St. Renee's. And this one is my absolute fave because look at the tone of it. It is perfect to sculpt your face, bring a little bit of warmth, and being a creamy product, it's quite hydrating on the skin. I find as we mature, I do lean into these more creamy products and having that more sort of glowy appearance. This is the Natasha Denona. This is the Starlette, if I am correct, mini palette. I love these mini palettes so much. They are absolutely gorgeous. They have just the right amount of mattes and shimmers. This one is like that sort of mauvey shade, like a little bit of pinky purple, and I'm placing it right on that outer corner and just running it in through my eye socket line. I didn't prep my eyes with anything but the foundation, so as you can see, when I placed it right in that socket line, it just grabs straight away. So there's pros and cons about prepping your eyelids. Depending on which way you want to go. If you know exactly where you want that eyeshadow, then definitely don't worry about prepping. And I'm using my finger with the shimmer. Now, I think this is a really good trick or tip because this way it stays either on your finger or on your eyelid. And if you haven't done too much prep on your eyelid, the eyelid will just grab it straight away. So as long as you're very confident with your placement, it works very well. This is the Rumi Cosmetics. This is a chocolate brown eyeliner. I love this eyeliner. It goes on very, very well. I place it through the lash line, up into the tight line, and then I always sort of peel out a tiny little baby wing. Nothing too dramatic, just small. Going in with the Prime Prometics, this is their mascara in black, and I'm just coating my lashes with a coat. I possibly will do another one off camera as well. Now I'm sticking with the Natasha Denona products. This is the Hyper Face palette. I love the fact that she has these 3 bronzers in here, or contour shades, and you can just sort of mix them to suit your look. So I've just sort of ran through the 2 darker shades and just really carved out my contouring there, just gone over those creamy products and just setting them as well. and using a more detailed brush. I'm pretty sure this is the 109 by BK. Now, I just showed you my brush there, so if it's even on your brush, it'll go even on your skin. So I'm just using the Natasha Denona, that nice pink. Same on the eye brush here. So it's the same, that blush in that Hyperface palette. I'm just placing it right up onto that brow bone there to create a really cohesive look. This is the setting powder by Youngblood. This one is in medium. It's a rice setting powder. Placing it just under my eyes, along my T-zone there, and just really getting rid of any of that excess oil. As I said, it's so humid here, so we are melting. Placing just a little bit of gloss. Let me know what you think of this look. Thank you for watching.